Meaning and importance of history. 1. Definition of history. History is the study of past events, people, and societies, based on evidence and interpretation. It involves recording, analyzing, and explaining human experiences across time. Famous definition. History is the record of past events, especially those concerning human affairs. 2. Importance of history. Understanding society. History explains how societies developed, why institutions exist, and how cultures evolved. Identity and heritage. It connects us to our roots, traditions, and collective memory. Learning from the past. Mistakes and successes of earlier generations guide present decisions. Critical thinking. Encourages analysis of causes, consequences, and perspectives. Global awareness. Builds empathy and appreciation for diverse cultures and struggles. Citizenship. Informs civic responsibility and strengthens national unity. 3. Classroom activities. Brainstorming. Ask students, what is history? And collect diverse definitions. Group discussion. Debate why history matters in everyday life, e.g., politics, culture, technology. Poster creation. Design posters showing key reasons history is important, e.g., history teaches us lessons, history shapes identity. 4. Assessment ideas. Short quiz. Examples. Define history in one sentence. Name 2 reasons why history is important. Explain how history helps us understand society. Give 1 example of learning from past mistakes. 5. Quick summary. History equals study of the past. Importance equals identity, lessons, awareness, and critical thinking. Activities. Brainstorm, discuss, create posters. Assessment equals short quiz on definitions and importance.